Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna share with you my makeup tips for a long-lasting and mask-proof makeup. So keep on watching. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and one eye off camera, and today I'm gonna be using the Hot Dog palette from Hydrate Revolution. For mascara, I'm using the most trusted mascara I ever used, and this is from L'Oreal Million Lashes So Couture. For falsies, I'm using this one from Amazon and also my lash glue from Duo. I'm using a hydrating primer, and this is from Revolution Makeup. I like to use this one with a mattifying foundation. If you want your makeup to last, Maybelline Superstay is the foundation for you. As a tip, when you apply this one, try to do one side first because it dries really quick. Next I'm gonna correct, and this one is from Revolution Makeup in the shade Peach. For concealer, I'm using Revlon Color Stay, and this is in the shade Light. A very important step is to set your foundation, and I'm using Banana Light from Revolution. It's very important to set your makeup because it will make it long lasting. As a bronzer, I'm using Sunkissed Hello Sunshine. Really nice, not too ashy, not too warm, and it also is buildable. Next I'm using the Essence, the blush, and it's in the shade Bespoken. It's one of my favorite blushes I ever tried. As a highlighter, I'm using this one from Makeup Obsession in the shade Mega Honey, and I love it because it's very intense. Moving on to lips, I'm using a lip liner from Revolution Makeup, and this is in the shade Chauffeur. It's really creamy and glides really easily. For a long-lasting lipstick, I recommend you use a matte lipstick, and this is from Revolution in the shade Chauffeur. The last step is to lock everything in place, so I'm using this Maybelline Lasting Fix spray. I heard it is a dupe for Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay guys, so the moment of truth, I have here a mask, and let's see this makeup actually will be mask proof. As you can see, nothing, no transfer, nothing, and this will actually last for at least 8 hours. For the liquid lipstick, I've done a test on my hand, and you can see it's quite a small mark. That is because it didn't dry completely, but the rest is absolutely fine, doesn't transfer, and also nothing from the face transfer, so I think it's fine. So what do you guys think about this video? If you liked it, just please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!